2 सेकंड बंद कर दूंगा, एक वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ मैं। हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। यार आज हम लोग आ गए हैं रॉयल एनफील्ड एसआई राइडर्स के शोरूम में। ये पड़ता है विजयनगर गाजियाबाद में। आज हम लोग सिनेमेटिक वॉकराउंड कवर करने वाले हैं बियर 650 का। उसको आए हुए कुछ टाइम हो गया है, बट मुझे लगता है देखने में वो बाइक बहुत सुंदर लगती है यार, स्पेशली विद द येलो एंड द व्हाइट कॉम्बिनेशन कलर जो उसकी आती है, वो मुझे पर्सनली बहुत पसंद है। तो आई होप आगे की वीडियो आप लोगों को भी अच्छी लगेगी। तो चलते हैं यार वीडियो में। Alright, so let's kick things off with the front. The Royal Enfield Bear 650 has the classic retro charm, but a muscular stance that makes it look ready for action. The first thing you'll notice this big round LED headlight, super bright and adds to that timeless feel. Whether you're cruising at night or riding through foggy roads, visibility won't be an issue. But if you want to take it to longer rides and on highways, I would recommend an external auxiliary setup installed on this bike. Now coming to the suspension, this one's on the stiffer side, which means you get solid stability at high speeds and while cornering. But yeah, you might feel some bumps a bit more compared to a softer setup. And the front wheel, it's a 19-inch spoke wheel wrapped in 100/90 section tube tire, perfect for highways and some light off-roading. Braking is taken care by a 320mm front disc brake, and the bike comes with a dual channel ABS, so you don't have to worry about sudden stops. Whether you're riding in the city or out on the highway, stopping power is solid. Moving up, the handlebar is nice and wide, which gives you that relaxed yet confident riding posture. And here's something cool, the instrument cluster is fully digital. It shows you everything: speed, gear position, trip, etc. and even a clock. It's clean, modern and easy to read even under sunlight. The switchgear feels solid. Royal Enfield has been stepping up the game with quality. You get all the usual controls including pass light, high, low beam, etc. and even the hazard lights. And guess what? This also USB charging port, so you can keep your phone used up while riding. Now let's talk about the fuel tank. The capacity is 13.7 liters, which gives you a riding range of about 300 to 350 kilometers. That means fewer fuel stops on those long rides. Now talking about the heart of the engine, the Bear 650 is a 648cc air-cooled twin-cylinder engine. It puts out 46.8 bhp at 7,150 rpm and massive 56.5 Nm of torque at 5,150 rpm only. Now what does that mean in real-world riding? Well, it's got strong mid-range torque, so overtaking is effortless, and the engine has that nice smooth pull even at low speeds. You get a 6-speed gearbox here with a 1 down 5 up shifting pattern, and thanks to the wet multiplied clutch, gear shifts feel light and smooth, especially the downshifts. They are buttery smooth. Talking about the frame, it's a steel tubular double cradle frame. This gives the bike a solid balance feel, especially at high speeds. Combine that with the stiffer suspension setup and you get a bike that's really stable, even when pushing it hard. Now onto the seat, Royal Enfield has kept it comfy and maintaining a sporty look. The padding is nice, though the exact seat height isn't officially listed, it feels accessible for most riders. The minimum height that I would recommend for a rider is 5'10". The pillion seat also gets a grab rail, making it comfortable for your riding partner. Moving to the rear, we've got twin shock absorbers, and just like the front, these are on the stiffer side. Talking about the rear tire, we have a 17-inch spoke wheel fitted with a 140/80 section tube tire. This gives you a good balance between comfort and grip. For braking, this is a massive 270mm rear disc which works alongside the ABS for smooth and controlled stop. The braking is excellent on this bike, especially the rear brakes. The tail section is clean and minimal, featuring an LED tail light with a curve weight of massive 200 kgs, a ground clearance of 184mm and a wheelbase of 1460mm. It's built for stability and control. What do you think? Does the Bear 650 have what it takes to compete with the Interceptor 650 or even the Super Meteor 650? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and hey, if you liked this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more motorcycle content. See you in the next one, and as always, ride safe.